Lola Pai.
Salamat kay sa imong gugma para kanamo. Hinaot unta nga madawat nimo tanan nimong handog o mapabiling kang malipayan o libsog kay dagan pang birthday yung maabot. Unta may enjoy nimong birthday karon.
Hi Mama Ipay, happy birthday. Unta, happy ko sa imong adlaw nga natawhan and wish na ko sa imo ha unta na kay healthy life nga grabe ka taas. And then naara mi permi sa imo ha mag-support. And that's all. Thank you.
My birthday, Mama Ipay. Stay healthy always and God bless you very much. And enjoy your special day.
Hi Ma, happy birthday. I love you so much and I hope na-enjoy ni mga day and that you are reminded na daghan kaayo ni nga pamilya nimo nga love kaayo ka sa tanan. Happy birthday. We love you so much.
75 birthday ma. O salamat sa tanan. Unta hatagan pag dugang grasya, dugang kinabuhi. Ug mahal kaayo kanamo.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, my pie. I love you.
Happy birthday Ma Pai. Thank you sa pagpukaw. Thank you sa pangluto sa food. I love you Ma Pai.
Happy birthday, Mama Pai. I hope you have a wonderful birthday. I love you so much. And I hope you enjoy your day. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Ma. Hinaot malipayon ka karon sa imong adlaw nga natawhan ug hinaot naa ka pirmi sa ayong panglawas ug tagaan ka sa Ginoo ug taas pang kinabuhi. Daghan pang birthday ang ma-celebrate ug mag-amping ka kanunay. Kaya na imong mga apo sa tuhod ug kami nga nagpangga nimo. Happy birthday, Otro. I love you, Ma. Amping.
Hi Lola Ipay, wishing you a happy birthday and more birthdays to come. And thank you kay always sa pag-welcome if maglaag ko diya sa Malaybalay, and thank you for being generous. Thank you kaayo sa tanan nila.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama Pai.
Wish mo ulapay.
Thanks, Mama Pai.
Daghan siya og daghan pang birthday. Naot nga daghan pag daghang birthday. More birthday na. More birthday.
Talagang pang birthday.
Happy birthday La. Wishing you a good health, success, and happiness in this coming year.
Happy birthday, Mama Pai. Kita dengan ketahui. Happy birthday untuk kawan. Enjoy your day. Wishing you all the best. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday sa among mapinanggaon nga lola, Mama Ipay. Salamat sa imong walay tupo nga pagtigugma ug pag-atiman sa amo ang tanan. Amping permi Mama Ipay, among giampo nga unta hatagan pa ka og dugang kabaskog sa panglawas. Daghan nga grasya nga moabot sa imong kinabuhi. Happy birthday og palangga ka namong tanan. Enjoy sa imong adlaw Ma. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Pai. I wish you a long, fulfilling life filled with happiness and love. And yeah, we'll see you soon. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Pai. I love you and I miss you.
Happy birthday, Mama Pai. We love you and we miss you. Stay healthy.
Hello, Mama Pai. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. And God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Mama Pai. Thank you for your endless love and the wisdom you always share with our family. You are the heart of this home and the reason to so many of our memories filled with love. May God bless you with more years of good health, happiness, and beautiful moments with all of us. Thank you for being the best grandma. Love you so much.
Lola Pai. Happy birthday, Lola Pai. Happy birthday, Lola Pai. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lola Pai. Birthday, Lola Pai. I love you. I miss you.
Hawak mo ang beat.
Happy birthday, Lola Pai! More birthdays to come! Kain na! Hello, Lola Pai! Happy birthday! More candles to blow! And syempre,